Violent extremism is a complex challenge for policymakers globally. What if the best people to help prevent it are former extremists? Former extremists, known as formers, have lived the experience of being radicalised and lived experience of exiting extremism. As a result, former extremists can offer unique insights, credible voices to help prevent others from becoming involved in violent extremism. In the UK, there are several initiatives that involve formers in violence prevention. These include public talks that raise awareness of radicalisation, or mentorship schemes helping others to exit extremism. There are initiatives like this across the globe, for example, Indonesia, Kenya, Lebanon, across Europe and across North America. Without a doubt, the involvement of formers is contentious and a challenging area of work. Not everybody in the field is convinced formers are uniquely credible, and in some cases, involvement in violence prevention work may be harmful to formers, the organisation and clients. Furthermore, practices for involving formers are considerably uneven. For instance, when should a former be hired or not hired? Should they be paid? What types of training and support must an organisation provide? New organisations are particularly at risk of inadvertently following bad practice and may have limited opportunities to learn about best practices. For many years now, leading practitioners in the field have called for improved standards in violence prevention work, particularly when formers are involved. It is essential that organisations involved in formers learn from and adopt best practice. But what should minimum standards be and how should they be implemented? The Involving Formers project aims to address these questions through an international partnership between practitioners and researchers at the University of Leeds, New York University and Michigan State University. We aim to define best practice by working closely with people from leading violence prevention organisations such as Moonshot, Life After Hate, Fighters for Peace, Exit Germany, Exit UK and many more. To help identify standards, we have conducted a Delphi study with experienced practitioners. They have identified and rated the best practices that organisations should follow. Significantly, we have shown there is actually a lot of consensus on what these should be. For instance, in areas of hiring and screening requirements, professional support and financial compensation. These standards will be discussed and agreed at a workshop in New York, which will involve representatives from more than 30 organisations that actively work to prevent violent extremism. Our project will develop a consensus on global standards that should be followed when involving formers in violence prevention, providing much needed support for organisations and ensuring formers are effectively supported in their work. Former extremists have a crucial role to play in preventing violence. Standards are needed to help them achieve this goal.